Hi, so I'm Jonas Lee. I'm with product planning at Hyundai Motor America. And behind me I have the 2024 Hyundai Kona. It's all new. And as you can see, we have a really exciting color palette. This vehicle right now is Neo-Terran Yellow, which is a very, again, it captures the kind of dynamic energy that Kona has in our lineup. This is the limited trim, and you will see that it has this the premium finished body cladding, which is really a trademark design feature of the Kona. And we also have the with this machine finish. And we also have, just looking at it from the front, you'll see that we have the side parking sensors. This vehicle actually has front parking sensors, so it gives you a 360 view, in addition to surround view monitor and blind spot view monitor, which is another really hallmark kind of safety feature that we have on our Kona vehicles, as well as our Hyundai vehicles in total.
My name is Kevin Kang. I'm a senior design manager in our Irvine Design Studio in California, and we participated in the new Kona design project. Basically, we wanted to make sure that the DNA of the original Kona is intact, but we make it even better and as if we were designing an electric vehicle. So what you'll see in the front of the car is very sleek and less emphasis on the grill opening size. Right now there's a tendency between the companies to make the grill larger and larger, but we went the other way, where we decrease the size of the grill and make it very sleek and aerodynamically efficient, which gives it that futuristic look in the front. Some of the key core design DNA of the Kona is what we call the defender cladding, or we call it the armor, where on top of the wheel arches you have these kind of different color top accents. So that's being transferred from the old generation to the new one. But by incorporating newer light technology in the front and the back, you'll get a more futuristic sensation. Also, towards the front of the exterior of the car, we have a headlight signature, what we call a seamless horizon, where on the interior we made a lot of improvements in terms of usability. So we cared more about the functionality, meaning when you look at the console of the car, there's a really big, gigantic, customizable bin where you can remove partitions or cup holders. So when you have a really big item, just like a compact tripod or a camera, you can actually remove these walls in the console and just plop down a big module inside of the car. So it's a really big improvement. Also, with the emergence of two large displays, the 12.3s, we wanted to make sure that the hard switches are still there, because the danger of going to touchscreen in the interior is that it starts to become unsafe to drive. So we wanted to make sure that things like the volume dial or things like the climate control valves are still intact. They're in the right place.
My name's CJ Ekman, and I'm Senior Manager of Product PR at Hyundai Motor North America. Here in Maryland driving the all-new 2024 Hyundai Kona. This brand new Kona has a lot of technology advancements and just overall usability enhancements from the previous Kona and from our competitors. Some of the features that I just want to draw attention to a little bit is it adds Digital Key 2, which allows you to use your iPhone or Android phone as your phone key. This car is targeted towards a younger buyer, and younger buyers pretty much use their phones for just about everything, so it makes sense that they could use it for their phone key. The other thing is the Kona got a little bit bigger from the last model, so you'll notice that the trunk space is a good bit larger, as well as the passenger volume is actually larger than the competition as well. And then the last thing I'm impressed with and excited about is the standard 12.3-inch display. If you look at kind of the standard display size in some of our competitors, you'll see that 12.3 is quite large, all the way down on the SE base model. So to be able to offer wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and that standard 12.3-inch display, it really elevates the Kona and makes it feel like quite a premium vehicle. So the Kona, even the previous generation, had a gasoline model and then also an electric model. But what's unique about the all-new 2024 Kona is that this car was actually designed as an EV first, and so you'll see that in kind of the design layout of the car. We're going to offer two different battery sizes, one with an estimated range of 200 miles, and then the larger battery pack will have over 260-mile range. So we'll have kind of a well-priced kind of like city EV, and then another option that's a little bit better equipped with more range, which I think consumers will like having kind of the choice between those two different options.